In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions in YNAB effectively and efficiently. If you're looking to streamline your budgeting process and make sure your financial data is up to date, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and simplify this task for you, step by step. First things first, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you are comfortable using. In the search bar, type YNAB and hit Enter. YNAB stands for You Need a Budget, and it's a helpful tool for managing your finances. Once the page loads, look for the official YNAB website link and click on it to open. Once you're on the YNAB website, log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. If not, enter your email and password, ensuring you're typing everything correctly to avoid any login issues. Now, an essential requirement before you proceed with the import process, you need to have your transaction files ready on your device. These files must be in one of the supported formats, which include QFX, OFX, QIF, or CSV. If you're not sure which format your bank uses, they often have a download option labeled for personal finance software, which typically works, so make sure you download the files to one of these formats for compatibility. With your files ready and you logged into YNAB, locate the transaction document on your device. Here comes the interactive part. Take the file and drag it to any part of the YNAB interface. It's a simple drag and drop process, making it user-friendly. Once you drop the file onto the interface, YNAB automatically detects it. At this point, you'll see the Import Transactions pop-up menu appearing on your screen. This is your cue to start the actual importing process. YNAB guides you through a series of prompts from this pop-up. Pay attention to each prompt. They're designed to make sure every transaction is correctly categorized and no duplicates slip through. Follow these prompts meticulously to complete the transaction importation process. If you have multiple accounts or banks with different download files, repeat these steps for each one. And just like that, you've successfully imported your transactions into YNAB. Now, with all your expenses loaded into the system, you can get a clear and comprehensive view of your budget. Remember to periodically import new transactions to keep your financial data current. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in mastering your budget. Tune in for more tips and strategies on organizing your finances effectively.